Hi all, this is Johanna from Red Team. I am here to talk about one of the most important and memorable historical incident, which is bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. On August 6, 1945, during World War II, an American bomber dropped the world's first atomic bomb on the cities of Japan, that is on Hiroshima. After the explosion, 80,000 people were killed and 10,000 people would later die during the radiation exposure. 3 days later of Hiroshima attack, another B-29 bomb was dropped on Nagasaki where 40,000 people were killed. Where it has all started, Japan. Japan is a fierce enemy of US and its allies during World War II. Then the US President Harry Truman authorized the use of first atomic bomb in order to surrender Japan. But later, Harry Truman thought that only the explosion of a city would not make much impression, and his main aim is to destroy the ability of Japan to fight wars. Hiroshima is the primary military target of over the population of 3,18,000 people, and it is seventh largest city of Japan, and it is served as headquarters of Second Army, and it is one of the important military command station for shipping of military supplies and troops. Bombing of Hiroshima. Hiroshima is the primary military target for the first atomic bomb on August 6th. How the bomb was planned and placed. At 393D Bombardment Squadron, which is the atomic bomb weapon name, was piloted by Tibbets and took off from Northfield, Tinian, about 6 hours flight time of Japan. Their flight was commanded by other two commanders, which is served as photography aircraft. During the night of 5th to 6th August, Japanese early warning radars detected the approach. About an hour before the bombing, the radar again started sounding again. At 8:15, the Tibet started bombing on Hiroshima. People on the ground reported that there was a big flash of lightning and loud bombing sound. Around 70 to 80,000 people were killed, that is 30% of the population, and another 70,000 people were injured. 69% of their houses were destroyed and 6 to 7% were damaged, and 20,000 Japanese military people were killed. Why Nagasaki? The city of Nagasaki has been the most largest seaport industrial area of southern Japan. Although it is an important industrial city, Nagasaki has been spared from fire bombing because its geography made it difficult. In Nagasaki, many industries, establishments, and smaller scale industries, timber manufacturing, other materials, etc., were being manufactured in Nagasaki, and the US people has been targeted to destroy all the industrial areas of Japan. Bombing of Nagasaki. At the time of bombing, many Korean people, many Japanese people, and military people were present on the day of bombing in Nagasaki. How the bombing of Nagasaki has been placed. Scheduled for 11th August, the bombing was preponed to 2 days earlier, which is because of the bad weather forecast to begin from 10th August, and it is been placed on 9th August. At 3:47 on the morning of 9th August, they were ready with the Fat Man, which is the atomic weapon bomb name, and at 11 am the bombs were released, and this attack was almost similar to the Hiroshima attack. When the bombs were released, it took 47 seconds to get exploded. After the explosion, around 35 to 40,000 people were killed and another 40,000 people were injured. Even though this bomb was dangerous than the first atomic bomb, very less people were killed and injured than that of Hiroshima attack. Many plants and many seaportal areas and industrial areas were destroyed. Almost 56% of industrial valley has been destroyed. Consequences of bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The most commonly affected is the political and technological centers of the Cold War. Around 60,000 to 80,000 people were killed and almost 70 to 80,000 people were injured. The radiation released due to the atomic nuclear weapons and bombs became more dangerous in worldwide day by day, and even today the world is facing many radiation problems due to the nuclear weapon bomb blast. Why is it remembered? The bombing were decided during the time of immense national fear, anger, patriotism, and over the attack of Pearl Harbor and the loss of US life during the World War II. The US people decision is to just annihilate the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which are a major part of Japan, and to destroy the cities and industrial areas. Around 70 to 80,000 people were killed from Germany and Japan areas, and 100 to thousands of people were injured. We remember them all swearing a vow of resistance to war crimes from the air war. Thank you.